To use auto prompt to expand your video idea in Artlist AI, start by opening your Artlist account and going to the AI video generator inside the AI toolkit. This feature is designed to help you turn short ideas into detailed, structured prompts that produce higher quality video results. Once inside the video generator, click on Create New Video to begin your project. After that, look for the Auto Prompt or Prompt Expand option near the prompt input area. This tool is designed to help you develop your idea without needing to manually write long or highly detailed prompts. Turn on Auto Prompt, then enter a simple video idea into the prompt box. This can be a short phrase such as a futuristic city chase, a calm beach sunset, or a robot exploring a forest. The goal is to start with a basic concept rather than a fully detailed description. Once you enter your idea, the auto prompt feature will automatically expand it into a more detailed prompt. It will add elements such as environment, lighting, camera movement, mood, and visual style. This helps the AI better understand your creative intent and produce more refined results. After the prompt is expanded, take a moment to review it carefully. You can edit or adjust any part of the generated prompt if you want more control over the final output. This step is important because it allows you to keep creative direction while still benefiting from AI expansion. Next, select your video model and adjust any settings such as aspect ratio, duration, or style depending on your project needs. Once everything is ready, click Generate Video. The AI will process your expanded prompt and create a video based on the detailed version of your original idea. When the output is ready, preview it to see how well it matches your vision. If needed, you can refine the prompt further or use auto prompt again to explore different variations of your idea. This makes it easier to experiment with storytelling, scenes, and cinematic concepts without writing complex prompts from scratch. And that's how you use auto prompt to expand your video idea in Artlist AI. Enter a simple idea, let auto prompt enhance it, review the expanded prompt, generate your video, and refine until you achieve the result you want.